Hello, my name is Aaron Maldonado, and I will be presenting the impact of wildfires on sport facilities ahead of the LA28 Olympics. Introduction of this topic. California wildfires have become more frequent and severe. The sport venues have sustained serious damages and disruptions. LA28 Olympics heighten the need of robust fire safety planning. Damage and disruptions. Palisades, Charter High School damaged fields and courts. Mountain High ski resorts destroyed ski lift and infrastructures. Professional sports teams had to relocate and postpone events due to the wildfires threats. Financial impact estimated 28 billions to 53.8 billions in property damages. 5 billions to 9.7 billions in expected businesses losses over 5 years. Local economies, tourism, employment, vendors deeply affected. Current fire safety practices. 100 feet defensible spare required by California law. Use on fire resistant building materials. Advanced fire alarm system and staff training are key. So protect your building. Propose enhancement, vegetation management, emergency response planning, collaboration with fire departments, public safety awareness, fire watch programs during peak season, and implications for LA28 and conclusions. LA28 venues must be resilient to wildfire threats. Ongoing coordination with CAL FIRE and city planners is essential. Investing in preparedness ensures safety and successful Olympics operations. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.